Hey, this is Marko and I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat backup. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Snapchat. Once you have opened up your Snapchat, just go to the top left to open up your profile. And from here, go to top right under settings. Once you have come on settings, what you want to do is scroll down until you see my data. So you can see my data right over here. You want to tap on that. Then once it loads up, you're going to see data available for download. So you have included memories, chat media, shares, stories. You can turn it on or off depending on what you want to back up. Now export in HTML file, which is recommended, and you can also export it in JSON file. And underneath that, there are more options like user information, chat history. You can select or deselect different types of things, and some as well with like other options. And then you want to scroll down, click on next once you have selected or deselected everything. Then just choose the time range, so you can have yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 years, or all time. And that's it. You will get it to your email that you use to sign up to Snapchat, and then you can store your backup there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comments.